Great Gadgets for Azure DevOps offers a variety of useful widgets for tracking your projects in a truly agile way. The Cycle Time Trend Widget helps you visualize your team's average cycle time for past time intervals, along with its trend. You can use this widget to see how fast your team delivers, and whether or not the response time has improved over time. You can configure it to measure the duration in the form of cycle time, lead time, or time between two workflow statuses. Cycle time is the processing time between the moment your team started working on the item and when they marked it as completed. Lead time is the time from when the item was reported to when it was delivered to the customer, so the total time from the customer's perspective. While these metrics are critical in any Kanban project, they are extremely useful in service desk, ITSM, software development, or any operational project. Now let's see how this widget can be configured. Let's say you want to see the cycle time trend for the last 5 weeks. First, configure the widget to use a board or a shared query containing all the items worked by your team. Then, configure the cycle start to be the entry in an in-progress state and the end of the cycle to be the entry in a completed state category. In the More Settings tab, choose to display the average time and the linear trend line. And look, the chart is now displayed on your dashboard. To measure the lead time, you can do exactly the same. The only difference will be the start of the cycle, which in this case, must be set to the item creation. And, in the More Settings tab, you can also choose a polynomial trend line instead. The widget can also display a data tab with a detailed report, which can be easily exported to CSV format. It gives you many fine-tuning options, and it lets you configure the colors. Install great gadgets and discover many powerful time-saving widgets that bring your dashboards to life.